With Samsung's new devices like the S22 Ultra and the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 Ultra, which I can't wait to get my hands on, is coming soon. So if you want to know anything about that device, let me know in the comments, subscribe, and we'll be talking about it real soon. Samsung put this kind of like highlight on how good the S Pen is and how they've reduced latency to an unbelievable 2.8 milliseconds, which we'll have to wait and see whether that makes a difference or not. But does that mean that it is not any good on devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 3, for example? Let's have a look. So here we have it then, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, just to use its full name, like it's Sunday, and the S Pen Fold Edition. So this is not the S Pen Pro. The only difference is Bluetooth, and you can flip between using it on tablets and then on the Fold. Let's see how it pans out. This is at normal speed. Just open Samsung Notes, put down. So Samsung Notes open, a quick little scribble right across the screen there. So you can see it is pretty responsive. We draw a line, it pretty much looks like it is touching the nib. I might slow this down in the edit as well, just to try and see if you can pick anything up. You've still got the whole, let's just delete some of these, making a mess here, Craig. You've still got the tilt and the pressure, so we do like a thin line and press a bit harder, or sideways, so we can do that, get cool little effects going. I'm not an artist, my handwriting looks like crap as well, so that's why I'm just drawing straight little lines. But you can see on here as well, palm rejection, so just write subscribe, or please subscribe. There we go. Does rock a little bit, but not a massive amount. It's actually pretty nice to use. And oh yeah, that little dip in the middle. See, it's like so unusable with that crease down the centre of the line. No, wrong. I can do perfect circle because I'm crazy. Crazy pants as well. Triangle. Square. That didn't work, did it go to the end? Oh, I can't even draw a simple square. Trapeze, there we go. Just some bit of education here on the channel as well. So you can see the S Pen on here actually works really well. So I'm interested to see how it does compare to the Tab S8 Ultra with its ultra low 2.8 millisecond latency, and see if there is like a real world difference, because so you know as well, looking at the video, I can actually see the crease more on the video than I can in person. In person, it's actually barely there, but when I'm looking at the screen I'm recording on, it actually looks more pronounced. Maybe that's the angle. Yeah, so if I scoot down a little bit, you can see a bit more on that angle that you're recording on. I'm actually a little bit higher up than where the camera is. But we're going to talk about the crease at a later time. If you have any other questions about the Fold, please do put them in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more Fold and Ultra content coming soon.